Hello guys. I just finished the review for the NF Audio NA2 Plus. So I will review the brand new NF Audio RA05. So this is the company's latest earphone. At the moment, I think they've just released the I think the NA15. I'm expecting that earphone should arrive soon, but a big shout out to NF Audio for sending this earphone out. So I'm gonna keep this here so we can, see it from the camera because this is basically the new review that I'm going to work on for you guys now. So this is the packaging, this is the box. NF Audio, very good with their packaging. So this is what you can expect with this set. It looks good. It looks good. It's a pinkish color. I would say this immediately. My girlfriend already likes this set because it has that pink look. This is feminine. If it won't, at least if you want to buy a set as a gift for your girlfriend or someone that you appreciate, you want to give someone a gift, this is the kind of earphone you can buy. Generally because it looks cool, it looks sexy, it looks cute for women. When I got it immediately and I opened it, I immediately knew my girlfriend would take this immediately away from me because I just saw the look. I knew it's a girl's earphone. So now I will talk about what you get with the earphone. So when you unbox it, this is the least appealing unboxing I did from NF Audio. NF Audio have better earphones in better boxes than this. But to be fair, this earphone is a little bit affordable. I think it's about $50 when I checked their store. So it's not the most expensive earphone. It's not the most expensive earphone, and it's not the worst priced earphone as well. So that's just what I would say. So when you bring it out of the box, you take this away, you keep it here. So this is the box. Now, first of all, you see the ear tips. This is the ear tips. You can select any ear tips that you need here. I do not use ear tips company sent to me. I use ear tips I own. I have my own ear tips. I personally believe that if I want the best sound quality, I can use my own ear tips. And the ear tips I use is the Easy Ear Tips. I use the Easy Ear Tips from SeeAudio. I've used it for more than 4 years now, more than 4 to get into 5 years. I've always been a proponent advisor that you should use that brand's ear tip because it has the best sound I can give an earphone. Doesn't matter whether I'm listening to $1,000 earphone, I must use a Wheezy ear tip. So this is the in-ear monitor. This is how it looks like. Very gorgeous, very, very sexy. It looks fancy, it looks lovely, it looks good for women. But the most important thing will be sound quality. How does it sound? I would say this is a bit V-shaped, but in a good way. If you like detail, you like, how would I put it? You like clarity, you will like this set. Before I continue with the review, I will show you guys something. This earphone's cable comes with a Type-C connector. So if you buy it and you don't like the Type-C connector, you can change the cable totally. It's a 2-pin cable, so it's easy to find 2-pin cables around. It's not difficult, it's not hard. You can find 2-pin cables easily anywhere out there. So get yourself a 3.5mm cable. But then again, if you have a smartphone and you have Type-C connector on your smartphone, it will work like a charm. No problems whatsoever. Now let's go back to the sound quality. Bass on this is not that powerful. It's there, but it's not the domineering thing that you get with the experience. It's very, very tight. It hits hard. It goes down low, but it's not the most powerful bass I have heard from an in-ear monitor. It's very detailed enough in the mid-range, but the mid-range is not the show or the star show of this earphone. It's it's there. You know, the mid-range is not thick. It's not that kind of thick sound. There's something about NF audio, because I've listened to a couple of the earphones they've sent to me. I'm beginning to understand that this company is chasing the detail market, like the market that wants detailed sound, basically. If you listen to their NA2 Plus, it's all about detail. They don't really care so much about bass, which is a good thing for some people that are, you know, music producers that want to make music and all that. This can work for you generally, but for me that likes to listen to a lot of content, especially movies, movie, you know, soundtrack, I need bass generally. So uh, earphones like this will appeal to people that want a lot of detail. So if you like detail, you like, you know, to be there always with a lot of expansive music with that neutrality, without having an overemphasis on bass, not overemphasis on treble, because it's not peaky. It's peaky to an extent depending on what you're listening to, but it's not overbearing. So if you don't want all that, you can still get this set. So for me, I would say it's a very good set. People can get your hands on it. It's a nice enough earphone that you can get as a gift for someone you love, because it's in a pink color. It will fit women generally. Women like this kind of earphones. My woman already will get this set because she fell in love with this earphone the minute she unboxed and saw it. At least, you know, she even opened it herself. She liked it immediately. So if you want to get it as a gift for a woman, this will be what you can go for. It will work perfectly. But if you're a dude that likes earphone that has a lot of bass, you would need to chase something else, because it's not always what you get with this set. If you're someone that wants a lot of maybe forward mid-range, it might not still be the best, because this earphone is neutral. It's plain on neutral. I've noticed that NF Audio wants neutral targets for their customers. So I'm beginning to understand that this is what they always chase with most of their sets that they have been releasing. So except for one set that I'm still going to review, and I will tell you that that's a very different and totally different set to every other earphones I've listened that they've sent to me. But honestly, this is a very good set. I recommend it. I'm gonna put links to NF Audio's official store down in the description below, so you can buy the set if you're interested in buying any of the two earphones that I've reviewed for you guys. So do check it out. Subscribe to the channel. Do follow us here on our YouTube channel. Share this video as well. I will catch you guys very much next time.